Those ball station lights. What the? This thing's tall as hell. 24th floor Spanish generic. Oh, and it runs like poo-poo. Oh, look, and it's got the lantern on too. "25 floor Spanish generic." No, 28 floor Spanish generic. I talked over the voice, damn it. What the heck? Oh, I guess those elevators also go up here. Whoa, whoa. Also, that's so weird. I've never seen the side of the panel light up to indicate calls. Those are locked. Go to E. Entry plantas. I believe these are all JMT buttons. Wow, this runs badly. This elevator leaves a lot to be desired. Is that the emergency phone or just like something to call up to one of the floors that needs like a special lockout or something? Here's your panel.
Entresuelo.
Maybe this one just always lights up green. That's it.